Welcome back to the Xultimate Firehose, the show where we wade into the deep end of the internet's most chaotic man so you don't have to. I'm Jim. It's the last day of May 2026. One day, 12 posts. And here's the twist. Almost none of them are actually his own words. Here's the thing about today. Elon Musk barely typed the full sentence. We've got interesting, we've got good point, we've got bound to happen. At one point, the man just posted the letter X. That's it. Just X. But here's the magic trick. Each one of these two-word grunts is bolted onto somebody else's post, and that's where the entire story lives. The reaction is tiny. The thing he's reacting to is everything. So buckle up. Today we've got a police body cam scandal out of the UK that pulled 300,000 likes in a wave of pure fury. We've got a Tesla that drove off a Malibu cliff and lived to tell the tale. We've got the legendary programmer who swore self-driving was a fantasy, eating his words from the front seat of a Cybertruck. And, I am not kidding, somebody tried to put houseplants inside a Starship. Before we open the valve, you know the deal. Subscribe so the next one lands in your feed, hit that like button, and drop a comment telling me which of these posts broke your brain the most. The algorithm genuinely only cares about likes and comments, so that's literally how you get more of this nonsense served to you. Follow DGTL Dreamscapes over on X if you want it raw between episodes, and if one of these clips makes you laugh, send it to one friend who's still doom scrolling at midnight. All right, let's open the fire hose. We start with the loudest moment of the entire day and honestly the angriest I've seen this account in a long time. Quoting a statement from Hampshire Police, Elon writes, and I'm quoting directly, "Release the footage, you evil bastards." 5 words. Just under 306,000 likes, 54,000 reposts, 10 million views. When this man goes full soul rage, the numbers follow him out the door. So what is he so furious about? The post he's quoting is an official Hampshire Police statement about a man named Henry Novak. The police say their officers were, quote, misled at the scene, that they switched to life-saving aid within minutes, and that the medical evidence showed the injuries were not survivable. Very corporate, very measured, and then comes the reader's added context. The community note, and that note tells a completely different story. It says Henry stated, quote, "I've been stabbed, I can't breathe," and that an officer replied, "I don't think so, mate," before cuffing him as he bled out. The note says his words were dismissed, no suspensions, and the body cam footage is still being withheld. That's the gap. That's why 10 million people showed up. The official statement says one thing, the community note underneath it says the opposite, and Elon planted his flag firmly on the side of release the tape. And he was not done. Earlier in the day, he'd reposted Zia Yusuf, who had written an actual formal letter to the chief constable of Hampshire Police demanding the immediate release of that same body cam footage, pointing out that national police guidance does not preclude releasing it during an investigation. 13,000 likes, 483,000 views. So this wasn't a one-off tantrum. This was a campaign. For one full day, the most followed man on the platform aimed his entire fire hose at a single police force in the south of England. Whatever you think of the guy, that is raw, concentrated attention. And all of it was pointed at one body camera. From a very heavy story to a very literal cliffhanger, Elon quote tweets Sawyer Merritt with 2 of the gentlest words in his entire arsenal. Glad they're okay. And what exactly is he glad about? Merritt reports that a Tesla Model 3 plunged 300 feet off a Malibu cliff over the weekend, and both passengers survived with only moderate injuries. Merritt's verdict, Tesla makes the safest vehicles. 32,000 likes, 1.4 million views. Now, look, I want to be respectful here. People nearly died. But there is something profoundly on brand about a car company turning a 300-foot cliff dive into a glowing 5-star safety review. Glad they're okay is doing an awful lot of quiet marketing in this thread. And then comes my favorite endorsement of the day. Elon replies, try Tesla self-driving to a post from Uncle Bob Martin. Now, if you're not a software person, that name means nothing to you. If you are a software person, you just gasped out loud. Uncle Bob, Robert C. Martin, is one of the most legendary figures in all of programming. This is the man who wrote the book on clean code. And here he is admitting, quote, that as little as 5 years ago, he publicly stated self-driving cars were not in the imminent future, and that he was, his words, dead wrong. He says he now owns a Cybertruck, lets it drive him everywhere, and trusts its tactical skill more than his own. Tev. 16,000 likes, 5 million views. When the guy who taught an entire generation of engineers to be skeptical hands the wheel over to a robot, Elon's 2-word reply writes itself. Try Tesla self-driving. Buddy, he did. He is the testimonial. Next up, the single most dramatic post of the day, and it is exactly 1 character long. The entire post is the letter X. That's it. He's quoting Doge designer, who shared a Gallup chart showing that trust in traditional media has fallen to a historic low, down 53 points since the 1970s. We're talking from 72% of Americans trusting the media all the way down to 19%. And the claim attached to it, X is now the #1 news app in over 150 countries. 51,000 likes, 2.6 million views. So the media trust line slides down into the right like a black diamond ski slope, and Elon's entire commentary is to simply sign his own name, the brand, the letter, the flex. It's the corporate mascot equivalent of dropping the mic without saying a single word. Now we get into the data posting portion of the evening, where Elon's reactions get just slightly longer and a whole lot more loaded. He quote tweets Michael O'Keefe with the line, "This is simply a fact." The post shows a table of the foreign-born population of a few countries comparing January 2001 to January 2025. Numbers jumping from around 8 or 9% up into the low 20s, 14 million views, 31,000 likes. This is simply a fact is a fascinating little piece of phrasing, by the way. It's 4 words that do an enormous amount of work, endorsing the data, the framing, and the implication all at once, while technically only vouching for the arithmetic. In the same vein, he replies, interesting, to John Arnold, who argues that America's cultural ideal has always been the self-made entrepreneur, while Europe's was rooted in aristocracy and inherited status, pointing to European forced heirship laws as his evidence. 13 million views off the back of a single word. Interesting is genuinely the most powerful word in this man's vocabulary because it commits to absolutely nothing while signal boosting absolutely everything. He could read your grocery list, say interesting, and it would still pull 10 million views. This next stretch is brought to you apparently by Gadsod. Elon posts Try the Audiobook of Suicidal Empathy. That's Gadsod's book, full title, Suicidal Empathy, Dying to be Kind, read by the author himself. 40,000 likes, 8.8 million views. I love that the most powerful man on the platform has, on this particular Saturday, quietly become a part-time audiobook salesman. No notes on the book itself, but 8.8 million views is the kind of marketing budget you genuinely cannot buy. And earlier in the day, the most viewed post of the entire bunch, worth watching. Quoting Gadsod yet again, who was pointing at a video that had already hit 1.5 million views, linking to something called Restore Halifax. And here's the wild part. Elon's 2-word push sent that thing to 29 million views. 29 million off of the words worth watching. And that right there is the entire engine of this account in one post. He doesn't make the content. He aims the fire hose, and the numbers go wherever he points them. Let's land this thing with the genuinely fun stuff, because not every post today was a culture war. My absolute favorite of the day. Elon replies, bound to happen, to a user named RobotBeat, who posts, quote, hear me out. Add plants and warm lighting to the interior of Starship, with these honestly gorgeous mock-ups of a spiral staircase inside Starship, wrapped in greenery and soft golden light. 110,000 likes, 11 million views. And honestly, bound to happen is the perfect response. We are going to Mars in a vehicle that looks like a Scandinavian boutique hotel. And the CEO just casually confirmed the vibe. I, for one, cannot wait for the in-flight succulents. Then there's a more inside baseball moment. He replies, good point, to Beth, the EAC guy, who argues that Grok should be the best AI for creating bangers because humans only get good at posting through real-world audience and engagement feedback. A small one, this about 6,000 likes, but a telling one. The pitch is basically the AI that lives on the platform full of viral posts should naturally be the best at making viral posts. Good point, says the man who happens to own both the AI and the platform. And finally, the smallest post of the entire day, which I find weirdly delightful. Elon writes, McDonald's advertising on X, quoting an actual McDonald's post that just says, lowercase, I feel seen by the new drinks from McD's. 48,000 views, 1,800 likes. By today's standards, that's basically a rounding error. But you can feel exactly what's happening here. The boss is holding up the McDonald's account and going, see, even the clown is posting here now. When the golden arches are out here doing lowercase bits on your platform, business is apparently good. And that is the fire hose for the last day of May 2026. 12 posts, barely a full sentence between them. And yet a police body cam scandal, pulling 300,000 likes, a Tesla surviving a 300-foot cliff, the godfather of clean code surrendering to a Cybertruck, a Starship full of houseplants, and the letter X, quietly doing more numbers than most people's entire careers. That's the thing about this account. The man can post a single character and move millions of eyeballs, and today he basically proved it on purpose. If you made it all the way here, you are exactly my kind of person. So do me one favor. Hit subscribe so the next episode finds you, smash that like button, and tell me in the comments which post you would have replied to because I read every single one and you genuinely shape what we cover next. Follow DGTL Dreamscapes over on X for the between-episode chaos, and if any of this made you laugh out loud, send it to one friend who really needs to log off. I'm Jim. This has been the Xultimate Firehose. Same chaos, different day. See you next time.